Hello, so today I'm going to explain to you guys how to create a chart using Excel. So as we see, we have this big, huge data chart and everything has been compiled into our different means for different days and everything like that. And so if we want to make a visual chart of how to do this, first we're going to go up to T, the 0% T, which is one of our variables. We're going to click down. We're going to highlight the whole thing up to these numbers over here. And once we do that, you can see that this little box kind of pops up. So we're going to go over and click that. It looks really distinct, lightning bolt and everything. We're going to click on that. And then once you click on that, it's going to give you a ton of different options for formatting, charts, totals, tables. And so we are worried about charts for today. So we're going to go over to charts and we're going to click on that. So once we get the charts, we are given a couple of different charts, and if you hover over, it'll give you previews of each chart, okay? And so for this specific lab, we're going to use a line graph, just because it's the best way of showing the data. Again, this would also work on the other charts if you want to do, but for now we're going to do the line graph. So we're going to click on there. And now once you click it on there, you are free to move it around. You can change the title to the appropriate title. So this is our onion lab. Oops, I accidentally got rid of that. Control that. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so it's back. So this is our onion lab. And you can add a title if you would wish to add a title up here. Pretty straightforward. And so from here, you can also label the axes different units if you would wish to, and the way to do all this stuff is you're going to go to this plus over here. Once you go to this plus, it gives you axes titles. You can title them different things. You can add measurements. You see when I hit that, another box pops up right there, so I could add growth in millimeters if I wanted to, because that's what the y was in this graph. Now if you want to add a set of error bars to show your standard error of the mean, to show statistical significance, we are going to go to error bars right here, and you see when you hover over that, the error bars come up. So then we're going to click on that from right there, and your error bars come up. Now I'm going to do that one more time just so you guys can see. Again, there's a ton of different resources you can use here too. You can show the actual data table in there, a lot of cool things. So we're going to do the whole thing once again. I'm going to scrap this. Again, go to your first variable, highlight the whole set of data. Again, this box comes up. You're going to click on the box. There you go. You're going to click on the box. We're going to go to charts for today. We're going to go to line because we're using a line graph. Again, you can use this for any of the other graphs. It comes back up. We can title it if we want to. Add anything to the bars by going to chart elements over here. And again, if you wish to add your error bars, you're just going to hover over error bars. You're going to click over there, and you have yourself your data and your chart showing error bars with statistical significance.